Raw material. Every Jonnesway tool is made of premium steel from the Taiwan China Steel Corporation, the #1 steelmaker in Taiwan. High-quality steel greatly increases the endurance and performance of the finished product. First, the technician heats up the raw material to 1000 degrees Celsius. The heated steel is then placed on the rolling machine to elongate the steel. This process greatly increases the overall strength and minimizes potential stress concentrations. Forging. The rolled steel is then sent to the forging press. It takes 3 die pressings to complete the process. The first die presses out the general shape. The second die presses the finished shape. And the third die cuts out the blank. Chemical grinding. The wrench then goes through preliminary chemical grinding. The wrench blank is placed in a container with chemical solution and ceramic stones which grind off the ragged edges. Polishing. For Jonnesway W26 mirror polished wrenches, the wrench blanks also need to be hand polished. Stamping. Once the technician is sure that the size is correct, the wrench is placed on the press to stamp the Jonnesway logo, size, and item number. A specially designed mold not only stamps the logo on the wrench, but also fortifies the hardness and metal structure. Heat treating. After stamping, the wrench then goes through the heat treating process to maximize the metal strength and hardness. Sandblasting. After heat treating, the wrench goes through the sandblasting procedure to clean up the carbonized surface. This process will enhance the effect of the surface treatment. Chemical grinding. The Jonnesway W26 mirror polished wrenches go through an additional chemical grinding to become finely polished. Open end grinding. The open end of the wrench then goes through 3 grinding stations. Cleaning. The technician cleans up the lubricant on the wrench and trims off any sharp edges caused during the production process. Plating. The semi-finished product then goes through the plating process. Jonnesway's specially designed plating technique enables the plating material to be deposited on the tool surface more effectively, perfecting the surface treatment. Testing. The entire batch of finished products then goes through sample inspection by a Jonnesway professional quality control engineer. The engineer will test the torque and hardness to ensure the finished product meets Jonnesway's quality standards. After testing the torque and hardness, the Jonnesway quality engineer examines the plating and corrosion resistance of the samples. The test samples will be mist-sprayed with atomized salt water for 48 consecutive hours. If the plating has been done correctly, the samples will not rust. Packing. After the finished products have passed the quality inspection, they are ready to be packed for delivery. Each of the items goes through different packing stations to prevent possible packing errors. This also enables the technicians to perform an additional inspection.